Hey everybody, it's Jordan Computer Scientist here, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I am not doing my due diligence. I haven't been reading consistently like I was supposed to. I go to the gym later in the week. Sometimes I don't wake up as early as I need to. My focus still not all the way there, but you only lose when you give up. So I wasn't gonna record a video this week, but I am. And I also just got a new mic and I really wanna test it out. So that's another reason why I'm gonna be recording this week. I have nothing in my refrigerator, so I'm about to head to the grocery store. I'm gonna get like something small, maybe it's like some fruits, some stuff that I can make really fast for breakfast, and maybe one meal that I can make, because I try not to buy too much stuff because I might end up not making it all or eating it all, and then that's just food that goes bad. That's money that's been wasted. But yeah, I'm about to head to the grocery store right now. I'm not gonna record myself doing it because not that confident, but I will be recording myself in the gym. I'm also trying to waste time so that the gym isn't as packed. So it's another reason why I'm waiting so late. All right, yeah, I'm back from the store. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I got less than $40 worth of stuff. And I feel like it's pretty healthy because, you know, that's all I'm trying to do is get a six pack. And can't get a six pack if you're not eating good. First things first, told you I've been kind of playing around. I ain't even drink this. It's like after I buy it, I just feel like, wow, am I really about to have all this sugar? And then I don't. And that's what I'm saying. I think that the best way to combat this is whenever I'm hungry, just go to the grocery store, get food, come back, cook it. Because if I go to the grocery store, I'm going to be thinking health cautiously. Health cautiously or health conscious? I'm going to be health conscious. Also, whole milk has 150 calories per serving. So if I'm trying to get a six pack, I can't keep drinking whole milk. And I bought all these bags. I'm not even using them. Apples, asparagus, I'm about to cook this right now. Bread, so I can make peanut butter and jelly, and that's probably it. Granola, yogurt for the granola, because this by itself tastes terrible, but 100 calories per serving, and it has 17 grams of protein. Ground beef, about to cook this right now. Grapes, so I don't keep eating Oreos and milk. I don't anymore. It's actually been a while, but you know, Thanksgiving is coming up, and that's usually when I fold, is when I'm at my parents' house. And almond milk. This has 30 calories per serving. So when I drink coffee, it's not gonna be 150 calories no more. The downside is it's unsweetened, but that's kind of why I got it, because it was 30 calories. So I'm trying to see if I could really hone in this winter and really get a six pack. But yeah, I'm about to just whip up some food. It's 7:38 right now, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. By the time I come back, I should just be able to shower, go to sleep. All right, so I just washed all the dishes, cleaned the counters off, swept the floors, making sure everything's good for the cat. And it is currently 8:51, really late. Gym should be emptier, probably not gonna be completely empty, should be emptier, but that was kind of the goal. But I really wanted to be in bed at 10 o'clock tonight. That's definitely not gonna happen. But either way, I'm gonna have to wake up at 5 in the morning, and I'm gonna have to hit the gym in the morning and do a back day. And then again for Thursday, but that'll be a leg day. So hopefully tomorrow is much more productive than today is, because I kind of got a late start, but we'll see. everybody. Back in the house. I had a great workout. I was going to put the mic on in the gym. I didn't because I was nervous. But tomorrow I'm going to be in there doing back. Hopefully I have the courage to put the mic on. If not, sorry. I was going to record like a whole nighttime routine and everything, but it is currently 10:37. I was supposed to be in the bed at 10 o'clock. So I'm going to be sleepy tomorrow, but it's fine because Thursday's Thanksgiving and I'm going to wake up early that day too, go to the gym, and I should be done for the week pretty much. So I guess I'll just see y'all tomorrow. All right, today is the next day and I'm about to go do back. It is currently 5:33. So not as early as I want, but as long as I work out in the AM, I should be fine. So I'm about to create my green juice, creatine, and I think that's everything combo. And I'm gonna head on out to the gym.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah, oh shoot. They don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my I got bad intentions, make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know.
All right, so I'm back. I didn't actually record the rest of my workout, but I did record all of my back exercises. So that's good because today was back day. So with that being said, I'm about to take a cold shower, eat, and work. I'm not going to record all those, but I will see all of you when I'm on my computer doing some C LeetCode. Back at the desk. So today is Thanksgiving, and I'm just going to go over this LeetCode problem, and I'm going to do it in C, and I'm going to go over it with all of you, make sure that I can explain it in a nice way. I did do this like in my free time, and I forgot what I did, so I'm going to do it again, and that helps with problem solving. So that's just what I'm going to continue to do. So this one is remove duplicates from a sorted array. Given an integer array num sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k. To get accepted, you need to do the following things. Change the array num such that the first k elements of nums contain the unique elements in the order they were presented in nums initially. The remaining elements of nums are not important, as well as the size of nums. Return k. So this one is similar in terms of the last however many these are being not really mattering. So we just did that in the last vlog. So this vlog, it should be fairly easy or easier. You know, I mean, I know I did this before in a different language, but we're learning C, which is lower level. It connects me to the hardware of my computer. You know, it's like driving manual. You know, you feel like you are one with your vehicle. That's the reason we're going into C. So I'm talking too much. Let's just kind of get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is declare k, because that's what we're returning, equals 0. And then I'm going to return k. So we're going to just return k. And, you know, we always need a for loop. So for int I equals 0, I less than num size, I plus plus, and then in this, we have to return a unique element. So we know that every time nums I or nums k does not equal nums I, then we need to do k++ because it's a unique element. And I need to add my if statement. I don't know why it's taking me so long. I need to learn how to like program faster. That's what I should really hone in on. It's just typing speed and coding in Vim. You know, I could be like the Primogen. Okay, so here what did I say? K++. Okay. Now see, k equals 0. So then when it does not equal, then then I just automatically do a k++, and I could just swap that next element. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, here we go. int temp equals nums I, and nums k equals, or nums I equals nums k, and nums k equals temp. So this should return the correct amount of elements. Okay, I got the wrong answer. I got 1 when it should be 1, 2, and here I got 1, 2, 3. I could just add an extra one, possibly, hopefully. Oh, yep, there we go. Just just return k+1, and when I submit this, I should get a pass. Yes, I got a pass. And just like that, I'm just going to end this vlog. Today is Thanksgiving. I'm going to go eat some quality food, and I'm going to avoid the desserts because I'm on my winter arc. And I already know, I'm probably going to get a lot of people saying, oh, it's just the holidays. You need to, let loose a little bit. But I just know that if I let loose, I'm going to regret it the next day. So I'm not going to be letting loose. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my Discord. The link is in the description. I'm trying to be more active in there. Sometimes I forget to respond, and I'll respond days later, but I'm really trying to be more active in there. Follow me on Instagram and X. I'm thinking about deleting X, but I've been thinking about deleting social media for a really long time, so you never know. But follow me on Instagram and X. My name on Instagram is jordanthecs.js, and my name on X is jordanthecs. And just like that, I'm going to get into this next week and see you all next week with a new vlog. Thank you for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this because